Guys, did you know that the government just issued a new credit score? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you the good and the bad and the potential whether this might hurt you for purchasing a home. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and I created the first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair spend into your own hands. If you're new to the channel, I'm super excited because I have a banger. Today's video, we're going to talk about this new credit score that the government is issuing. But before we get into the video, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. It allows YouTube to push us with a wider audience, and it also allows YouTube to push us within their algorithm. It allows us to leave these lights on, guys. Please like and subscribe to the channel. If you have anything derogatory in your credit report, I mean anything negative, charge-offs, late payments, bankruptcies, medical bills, guys, you name it, please go over to mycreditapproved.com. It's the website and the software that I was telling you about that allows you to put the full experience to your own hands. Guys, people are removing thousands of dollars worth of debt by themselves. They are no longer using credit repair companies. They are putting this information and this experience into their own hands and appreciating on a deeper level. Guys, please go to mycreditapproved.com, check out the software and start removing these items, guys, if you have anything derogatory on your credit report. Now let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes of this video. Now I want to dive straight into the video because I think that this is going to be a lot of interesting meat and potatoes in general, but just because that they are changing the models of and the algorithm of credit, and they do it quite often. But the fact that the government is issuing regulation behind this new algorithm or this new credit score speak volumes towards where we're leaning towards in the future of credit applications. Now, I honestly have seen the full trajectory of FICO changing their scores. You know, they have had FICO 7, FICO 6, now they have FICO 10T. Now, we're going to go in and deeper into that in a second, but I definitely want to talk about the government and how they are issuing this new credit score. Now, the Federal Housing Finance Agency is backing the new algorithms that Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac is placing on home applications. Now, the algorithm that they're going to be using is, like I said, is going to be called FICO 10T. FICO 10T is the latest model of FICO algorithm. Now, if you are using a Credit Karma or a Credit Sesame type of application, you might not you're not seeing your FICO score. The only way you can see your FICO score is if you go to myfico.com, and they will give you all the different scoring models. Now, there is different algorithms for different class of funding. So if you wanted to apply for an auto loan, that's a totally different algorithm than a home loan or a business funding. So you want to make sure that you are understanding the guidelines that you are putting yourself into when you are opening up applications for different areas of funding. So this is primarily the housing market. So this is going to be on home applications, and this is leaning in the future. Like I said, the FHA is definitely considering using Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae algorithm for the FICO 10T. Now, don't use, like I said, Credit Karma, because they're going to give you your Vantage score. So right now there is two different scoring models, the Vantage scoring model and the FICO scoring model. The FICO is going to be what the loan officers are going to use, whether you're applying for a car, home, or business funding. But normally when you are checking your credit on those free platforms, normally you are looking at your Vantage scoring. And Vantage scoring is normally lower. So if you're looking at your Credit Karma, you're not looking at the same score that a person of interest for application will be looking at. So if you are considering to apply for a home in the future, you want to be making sure that you are looking out for your FICO 10T scoring. So the FICO 10T is interesting because the T stands for trending. Trending means trending information on your credit report. Now, to give you guys some clarity, in the past, a lot of people in the credit space learn how to finagle and to finesse the credit industry. So you can apply some trade lines and do a few things, you know, wrap rapid rescore and do a few things here and there and basically get a good credit score. FICO has learned how to look at the trending data that's circulating on your credit report. So if you are not putting yourself in a position to have longevity with your credit report, FICO is going to notice it. So you want to make sure that you are asking if they're using Fico 10T. Because if they're using Fico 10T and you just did a few twos and froos and a few quick things just to put yourself in a position to get approved, that Fico 10 is going to see that you just recently done that and see that it's not, and it, because you have done that, it's not going to weigh as credible as someone that has a lengthy history and a great payment history. So yeah, but one thing that I do think is good about this is that FICO is going to start calculating your rental payments and also with your utility payments. Right now, they only calculate payments from normally big contracts like a auto loan or a home loan or a business fund. They usually don't report any utility bills or any type of rental history, things like that. That's normally not the case on active reports on your credit report. Fico 10T, like I said, they're going to be looking at the trending data, and if you are trending as a good payment history component for your rental history or your utility bills, that will be added to the algorithm as well, and it will give you longevity there. So yeah, guys, I think that this is going to be very interesting. I think that this is going to put the credit space in a position where we have regulation in how they are basically allowing you to finagle them. They are not going to allow you just to do any quick fixes anymore. They are going to put you in a position to work for everything that you're going to get going forward, and to have a track history, a long track history, so to speak, before they can approve you or feel credible or feel comfortable of giving you any type of funding. Guys, let me know in the comments how you feel about this. Do you think this is going to be a good thing or bad thing? Do you think that this is good for the industry or not? Just let me know in the comments. Until next time, guys, take care of yourself and take care of your credit. Credit Coach Q out.